Welcome back. It's time for the Business Day. Sprint legend Usain Bolt has joined the board of directors at Supreme Ventures Limited SVL. Bolt's appointment took effect last Friday, June 16. The former athlete also has significant business interests. However, this is the first time he's been named as a director for a listed company. It's not known if Bolt is a shareholder in SVL. In the meantime, the private sector organization of Jamaica, TVJ, is urging persons from the private sector to offer their expertise to serve on public bodies. The TVJ believes with the recent launch of the corporate governance database of prospective directors, the selection process has been depoliticized and will promote professionalism. The Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, recently revealed public bodies manage $586 billion in revenues, $586 billion in expenditure, and possess assets totaling $1 trillion. The TVJ says these numbers underscore the importance of having qualified individuals serving on public bodies to ensure good governance. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, says it is working on a platform for central bank digital currencies to enable transactions between countries. The IMF's managing director, Jeva, made the announcement today. Now, the IMF wants central banks to agree on a common regulatory framework for digital currencies. The IMF says failure to agree on a common platform would create a vacuum that would be likely filled by cryptocurrencies. It's also hoped that such a platform for central bank could help make remittances cheaper, noting the average cost of money transfers stands at 6.3%, amounting to $44 billion annually. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.25. $117.10 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost of the pound is $196.96, while it's costing an average $169.38 for the euro. And the JC index gained 4,888 points today, while the junior market index lost 8 points. Of the 104 stocks trading, 43 advanced while 36 declined. Among the winners were Margaritaville Turks, Berger Paints, Jamaica, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, QWI Investments, and Seprod. The losers included Blue Power Group, ISP Finance Services, First Rock Capital Real Estate Investments, US dollar shares, Salad Food Jamaica, and Access Financial Services. 25 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Giovanni Dennis.